Hi, I'm Alex from Ultimate Solutions. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about our new PVC HoardFast system. The PVC HoardFast system is pre-finished. That means no painting, no plastering, no unnecessary touch-ups. Its smart finish and rapid install make it the #1 choice for internal and external hoarding system.
Music got the best in me ever since I was a child. Now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I
do? So this is our internal HoardFast system. As you can see, PVC panel, 1200mm in width by 3 meters in height. Really robust, aesthetically looks a lot more pleasant than ply and timber, and is very quick and easy to install.
So I better use my legs and run before it is too late to flee. I feel there is no other way. It's what I can do, what I can do. Then I want to be with you, but you know there's music too. Don't let jealousy allure you. Stop this, get right. Stop this, get right.